2 colonies on Mars, which are called Adam and Eve. All of that's on Mars went there from the moon. And I'll describe how that all happened. Then you've got the Ultra 1 unit. Then you have Ultra 2. Now, according to the Andromedans, what many people in the UFO circle believe is MJ-12, being the secret government, it is in fact, according to the Andromedans, Ultra 2. It's the lowest rung of the ladder. And if any of you have ever been in the military, this is the way they do things. I myself have not. But I've researched it enough to know that the way it appears isn't what it is. And then you've got the rest of us, what we call our government. Washington, D.C., and the military, etc. On and on and on. Now, free energy devices, all of this technology has been in existence over 60 years. We literally have not had to pump a gallon of oil, a barrel of oil out of the ground in 60 years. Technology's been available. It's all being used on the moon, and it was being used on Mars. We don't have it here at all. Now they're starting to come out with it because, the atmosphere is screwed. All right. Any questions on this so far? I'm giving you a real quick, right to the point, right to the bone synopsis here. Somebody has a question. What time is it? Okay, well.
In the overall picture of it, what are the various groups jockeying for position 4? What are they trying to gain out of it? Obviously they have a goal.
They all have different agendas. I don't know specifically outside of control and domination and the fact that they would like to keep the third density vibration on a universal scale from evolving, what the Orions and the Draconians want. I can tell you about the Greys, though. Okay? Now, and even the benevolent forces. And that's where we come in. Why so much attention to planet Earth? Why us? We're this little speck, on the outskirts of the galaxy. We're just this little solar system. Well, galactic and intergalactic travel has existed in our universe for 4.4 billion years. Now I'm dealing with linear time, because that's the only way I know how to put it. Many of the extraterrestrial groups that were leaving from their respective star systems, when they would pass through our sector of our galaxy, they would always stop here on Earth. Why? It's beautiful. It's got an abundance of water, which is very rare in our galaxy. It has vegetation and life forms, unlike most other places. And not only that, it was far enough away that they could literally do anything they wanted, and nobody would say anything. It was like a retreat. And they would fly through here, stay 50 years, which is, if you live a lifespan of several thousand years, it's just a weekend. Even though it's 50 years to us, it's almost a lifetime. And they would just play God. Genetically alter this, genetically alter that. They would pick up other life forms as they were exploring. They would drop them off and see if they would evolve here, if they could exist. They tinkered. They did all kinds of things. Now, ETs don't value gold and silver or diamonds. They're not into that. What they're into are genetics. That's their valuables, life forms. And we're now moving in that direction ourselves, our scientists. Okay. Well, what's happened is, according to the Andromedans, us, Terrans, Earth human beings, the physical forms that we now have ourselves, is a direct result of the genetic manipulation of at least 22 different races, extraterrestrial